Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. New faces on Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Mxolisi Jones joins Sibongile and the Dlaminis as Nomfundo Mxolisi, who portray a character of Mxolisi coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on 26 November 2024. Mxolisi as Mxolisi, who's ready to move on after his wife's death. Not cool dude, not cool, especially because it doesn't happen for him as a spontaneous, surprising turn of events. He is literally on search. Widowed Mxolisi has intervenes in an established relationship. However, it could be good for Nomfundo. She's been stuck in a love limbo with her married baby daddy in Mxolisi. She is itching to take things further, but he is hesitant. And Mxolisi, who's looking for new love with his eyes set on Nomfundo, Mxolisi isn't afraid to throw down if it means getting what he wants, and he is about to face off with Mxolisi. Thank you for watching.